a video of me going all over the buzzer pitches on this Neo and how to change it. First off, to change it, you're gonna have to go into the *6 user menu, and then you're gonna be entering your access code. Now you will be, I would recommend you scroll back since there's a lot, and then you will go to buzzer control and hit star. The default is 8, but you can change it. So I will be going over every single buzzer levers you can go through. To disable it, you can always go to 0. Now if you do 0, you cannot hear anything because the buzzer is disabled. Now this is buzzer level 1, buzzer level 2, buzzer level 3, buzzer level 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, there's no 16, but yeah. The default's 8, so choose a buzzer level you like and then just hit the pound key and exit. And that's how you do it. If you want if you want a different tutorial, comment down below and I will make a video on that.